Letting go of limiting beliefs can be a transformative experience, and using mindfulness can be a powerful tool in this process. Here's how you can do it with a mindful approach, potentially with the guidance of a practitioner from Mindful Awareness LLC. Identify limiting beliefs. Mindful reflection. Spend time in quiet reflection, perhaps during meditation, to identify the beliefs that are holding you back. These could be thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never succeed." Journaling. Write down these beliefs as they arise, noting how they make you feel and where you think they originated. Challenge the beliefs. Questioning. Once you've identified a limiting belief, ask yourself if it's true. Use mindfulness to observe your thoughts without judgment and question the validity of these beliefs. Evidence gathering. Consider the evidence for and against these beliefs. Is there actual proof that supports them, or are they based on fear or past experiences? Reframe with positive beliefs. Mindful affirmations. Replace limiting beliefs with positive affirmations. For example, change "I'm not good enough" to "I am capable and deserving of success." Visualization. Use mindfulness to visualize yourself living without these limiting beliefs. Imagine how your life would change and how you would feel. Practice letting go. Engage in regular mindfulness meditation where you practice letting go of thoughts and returning to the present moment. This helps in training your mind to release limiting beliefs. Focus on your breath, allowing thoughts to come and go without attachment. When a limiting belief arises, acknowledge it and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Seek support. Consider working with a mindfulness coach or practitioner, like those at Mindful Awareness LLC, who can guide you through this process with personalized strategies and support. Participate in mindfulness workshops or group sessions where you can share experiences and learn from others who are also working on overcoming limiting beliefs. Consistent practice. Incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, whether it's through meditation, mindful walking, or simply being present in your activities. Consistent practice helps reinforce new, empowering beliefs. Be patient with yourself as you work through this process. Practice self-compassion and recognize that change takes time. By applying these mindful techniques, you can gradually let go of limiting beliefs and create a more empowered and fulfilling life. If Mindful Awareness LLC offers specific programs or sessions for this purpose, they can provide additional structure and guidance tailored to your needs.